Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In this video, I'm going to share with you a CPA marketing tutorial actually that you can make $200 plus with free CPA marketing trick actually that I can use in this video. So stay to the end of this video. I'm going to share with you step by step that how you can do that and how you can maximize the result from that. So the first and important thing is that you need to sign up with CPAGrip.com or CPALead.com. Once you sign up with that, then you can simply log into your account and you can definitely just choose the country, category, status, and search for a specific category or product if you want. But I just select all countries, all categories, and here are the different products available for me right here. With the first and the third one actually, which is get up 750 Walmart gift cards right here that we can simply see here, and there are also other gift cards available right here that you can simply see here. So here we can simply click on anyone right here. For example, this is the one, get a 500 cool gift card actually, which is from Australia, and we can simply just promote this product right here where we want. So the first thing is that you need to sign up for a free LinkedIn account right here, and you can simply just put together all the title right here, for example, for each gift card and affiliate link right here. So the affiliate links will be this link actually that you can simply copy. Here is the title. You can simply copy this title and just put it in the title section and just copy this link right here and then paste it right here. If you want to add more RAS and more product, you can simply just click on add new link and that will be available right here. For example, by just clicking that button right here, so you can simply just add it. But sometime if you just paste a direct link right here, so they will give you the option that like unsafe URL right here. So for that reason, you just need to go to Bitly and just click the create account right here and just paste your link and then click on the create button. Once you click on the create button, that will be shorten the link. Then you can simply just copy your link and come back right here and just paste it right here in this section. But then you will be good to go with that, for example, and that will be accepted right here. So I have already just did these, so I don't need to do with furthermore. I can simply just delete it. This you can also sign up for that. This will be my link. I can simply just copy and promote anywhere. If you want to see the preview that how people can visit that, so it will look something like this, that people will just come to this link and they can choose any option right here or any gift card based on their location. They can simply select and they are good to go with that. We will be earning money from that. So how we can promote? The first thing is that visit to this website, global free classified ads, which is available worldwide, and you can simply just post a free sign up for a free account, and you can also just post the free ads on this website right here. This is one website, and another coolest website is right here, 𝐔𝐍𝐈𝐐𝐤, which is another great website that you can start promoting your product with this website right here. The first thing is that you need to sign up for a free account right here. Once you sign up, it will look something like this, the interface right here, and here you will have the option for post ad. You just need to click on that and you will be just redirected to this page right here. But I can simply show you before than everything that how many traffic is coming to this website right here, 𝐔𝐍𝐈𝐐𝐤. As you can see here, according to the similar web, 50 million people are visiting to this website each month, and most of the traffic is coming from the Canada right here. As you can see, 95% are coming from the United States, 2% from the United States, then India, France, and the United Kingdom right here. So this is a great opportunity that we can simply promote our ads in front of them right here by just clicking the post ad, and we can simply just add the title something like, let me just add a simple, and this one, get 500 Walmart and other best free gift cards, and I can simply click on the next. You can simply copy my one or just choose your one, rewritten some text, something like that. I can simply choose the community category because that is free, but some of them are paid. You need to pay for that, but community is free. I can simply select the community category. Then subcategory, I can simply just choose another right here. Okay, because we are promoting the gift card, so that's why we need to choose other gift card categories, not directly right here. So once we are done with that, then we can simply add a short description right here, and I can simply just copy and paste. I have already written that, as you can see here. I just paste it right here and just add your link right here at the bottom and give a space. For example, just remove this. Okay, let me just do it for you. Just remove and give the space right here, and just tell people that remove the space to access the website. And then you can simply scroll down right here. For example, tags, if you want to add, you can simply add, for example, like gift cards or something like that. You can simply just add it. And if you want to add more tags, you can simply add the image. You can simply just click on that and you can simply choose any image you want. For example, I just simply download it from the Google, so you can also do it from the Google, means you can simply download it that, and then you can simply scroll down right here. Okay, do not select this option. If you select, then that is paid options. You can simply scroll down almost at the bottom right here, and then you can simply click on the post your ads. Once you click on the post ads right here, then you will be visit to another page, which will be this one. You have successfully posted your ad, and it will take some time to post it on this website right here. So the more ads you posted, the more money you can generate and the more money you can have it. So this is the absolutely free traffic and free method that I was about to share with you in today's video, and you will definitely like that and you will be interested with that. So if you want to make more money online, then check out the first link in the description of this video, and you can redirect to this page right here, which will be a patent apps actually for free, that you can get 150 plus leads and buyer to any link, means CPA link or affiliate link, for absolutely free in every 60 seconds. So you can learn more about on this software and this website step by step. Just click on the first link in the description and you will be redirected to this page right here. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, comment if you have any question or concern. I can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified and you will get benefit from that. So till next brand video, see awesome with enjoyable moment.